speak up. Yes, Harmeet, first answer beta.
I met him. मैम आगे क्या हम?
I met him dash the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Yes, in the afternoon is the most appropriate answer. Before the afternoon is also correct. After the afternoon is also correct. Yes, Harmeet.
मैम जो पिछले फर्स्ट टर्म एंड सेकंड टर्म की ग्रामर मैम होला नहीं है मैम कि कुछ कट हुआ है बीच में से.
Beta whole grammar. Okay, you can just cut the topic that we cut from the deleted topics will not be there. Otherwise, the whole grammar and writing skill will be there. So he took something dash the drawer. Yes, who will tell me this one? Vaibhav. Vaibhav, second answer, beta.
Ma'am,
On the drawer. When you
Yes,
take
ma'am.
something, you take something
Ma'am, no, ma'am, sorry. Ma'am, in the drawer.
in the drawer. Okay, try something else, beta. Drishti, do you know, beta?
Ma'am, from.
Yes. So, Vaibhav, whenever you take something, maybe from the bag, from the drawer, from the car, so we often use this word from. Okay. So, next one is Harman. Harman, he put the books dash the table.
On the table.
Yes, on the table. And okay, some other possibilities near the table, beside the table. So many possibilities are there. Next is Shubh. Shubh, fourth one, he fell dash the terrace.
He fell from the terrace and broke his leg.
Yes, he fell from the terrace. When you fall down from higher position to lower position, then you use the word from. Okay. Apple fell from the tree. So from, correct answer. So next one is Savya. Savya, number 5. Read the question and tell me the answer.
Let us hope dash the best. Let us hope from the best.
From the best, sure. Let us hope from the best. Okay, Karthik, your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for.
Yes, for. So let's hope for the best. So next is Hargunpreet Singh. Hargunpreet Singh, number 6th. Unmute, please. Let unmute yourself. Yes, now please speak up. The sentence and your answer. No. Okay, Janvi, you can speak better. Number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better. Number 6 answer.
Ma'am, there is someone behind the door.
There is someone behind the door. Yes, correct answer. So you cannot use the word in front of because you are using the word someone. Okay, someone means you don't know who's standing. Obviously, he might be standing behind the door. Okay, so correct answer. Next is Jasmine. Jasmine, number 7.
Ma'am, I live near the mall.
I live near the mall. Okay. I live near the mall. Okay. And everyone, please don't write in here. I live in the mall. Okay. Next is Jasleen. Jasleen, number 8.
Yes, ma'am. I was born in Jalandhar.
Okay. With name of city, we use the word in. Correct answer. Next is Akal Jot. Okay. Amarjot. Sorry. Amarjot, number 9.
There is something behind the curtain.
There is something behind the curtain. Okay. Correct answer. So next one is the scene got turned. Wait. Anmol. Anmol, number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 10, beta.
The table is made up of wood.
One preposition only, made of. Okay. Now I request all of you to please lower your hand. I just want to ask you one new question. Who will tell me the difference between beside and besides? I have told you so many times, so you can just tell me the answer. Beside and besides. So I'm starting from Harman again. Harman, yes, beta, your answer. Beside and besides. What is the difference?
Ma'am, beside means in addition.
Besides, in addition, okay, and beside without S.
Ma'am, beside means in behind.
Besides is correct. Beside is not properly correct. Jasleen, can you please tell me with example? Beside and besides. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Beside and besides.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Beta, difference between beside and besides.
Ma'am, besides mean in addition to, and beside means with.
With, okay, with kind of correct answer. Okay, everyone, beside without S. It means on the side of, okay, maybe left side or right side of someone or something. And besides with S is in addition. For example, besides English, I am good in mathematics too. Okay. So you want to add something to the subject English. You are not only good in English, you are good in mathematics also. Okay. Besides football, I like cricket also. So you like basically football plus cricket. So you want to add something to someone, then you have to use this word besides. Okay, who will tell me the difference between in and into? In and into. Yes, Harmeet.
मैम इनका मतलब होता है मैम जो अंदर है मैम और इनटू का मतलब होता है जो अंदर जा रहा है.
Okay, I would appreciate if you would tell me in English, but your answer is correct. So, Savya, what is the difference between in and into? In English only.
In means that is inside,
Already.
and into means that is going inside.
Yes. So, into means when someone is going from outside to inside, okay? And in means already inside the room or anywhere, enclosed place. So, okay, correct answer. So now, beta, I'm moving to the next topic. Okay, next topic is, let me see, wait. Subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. Before starting the exercise, let us quickly revise the rules of subject verb agreement. First rule is with singular subject, you have to use S or ES with first form. Singular subject plus first form plus S or ES. Second rule, with, along with, okay, as well as. You have to see the first subject. I repeat, with, along with, as well as. You have to use first subject, okay? Ignore second subject. Now next is either or. In case of either or, you have to see the second subject. Neither nor, again, second subject. Got it? With collective noun, you have to use singular subject if one collective noun is there. Okay, with the distance, with the amount of money, you have to use singular subject. And I think we have done with the name of dish also, you have to use singular. Okay, so let's start with it. First question is, the students of this school dash English fluently. Speaks or speak? Chitesh, tell me the answer, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Chitesh, your answer.
The students of this school speaks English frequently.
Repeat your answer.
Speaks.
Beta, subject is singular or plural?
Plural.
Then your answer is speaks or speak?
Speak.
Speak. And I think I heard speaks, beta, 2 times. So yes, everyone, students of this school. We are not talking about school. We are talking about students. School doesn't speak with us. Students speak, right? So you cannot write speaks if you just see the word school. You have to just focus on the subject, which is the main subject, school or students. Okay? Then you have to choose the verb carefully. So your answer is speak. SPEAK without S. So next one is Arpita. Arpita, number 2, beta. Unmute yourself first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arpita. Every child dash to get good marks.
Every child want to get good marks.
Want. Okay. Who will now tell me another possibility? Arpita, you can mute yourself, beta. I can hear something from your side. So Jasmeet. Jasmeet Kaur. Okay. Jasmeet, your answer, beta, number 2. Unmute yourself. Yes, beta. Every child dash to get good marks.
And wants.
Wants. Correct answer. So, Arpita, please listen to me very carefully. With every, each, okay, you have to use singular verb. Each child, every child, okay. So you have to use singular one. So wants is the correct answer. Please note down answers side by side. I will not send the answers. I repeat. Wants, correct answer. Okay. So next one is yes, Karthik, number 3. A gang of robbers dash caught
Yes.
by police.
मैम इसकी ऑप्शंस नहीं है कोई?
Without option, this means beta you have to fill is MR or was were. If I haven't given
Okay.
any option.
Okay. Was caught by police.
Okay. A gang of robbers was caught by police or is caught by police. Both are correct. So if in exam you don't get option, okay, don't feel that ma'am forgot to send the options. So it's obvious that you have to write is MR or was were. Okay. And correct answer given by Karthik, a gang of robbers was caught by police or is caught by, because we are talking about one gang, collective noun. Okay. Now don't see that robbers is given, we will use are. No, we are talking about one group of robbers. Okay. So your answer is a gang of robbers is caught by police. Yeah, was caught by. So next one is, let me find one student. Prabnoor Singh. Prabnoor, unmute yourself. After that, Mitarthi. Prabnoor, unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Prabnoor, you are not unmuting, Mita. At least unmute yourself and say something. Okay, Mitarthi, read fourth one and tell me the answer. 6 lakh rupees. Yes, yes.
6 lakh rupees, that's the amount he needs. Ma'am, 6 lakh rupees is the amount he needs.
Yes. 6 lakh rupees is the amount that she needs. Okay. So amount word is written here. That's why we are using the word is. Okay. If amount, money, or distance, this word is written, then you have to use the word is. If I would have written 6 lakh rupees dash needed by her, now I'm not writing the word amount, then you would use are needed by her. But here I am writing this thing amount. Amount means one thing, okay? Singular. So next one is, let me find out one student, Tanvi. Tanvi, unmute yourself. Tanvi and Ipsa. Number 5.
Ma'am.
Number 5, beta.
Ma'am, there are many kites in the sky.
And answer is given by Tanvi or Ipsa?
Ma'am, Ipsa.
Okay. Tanvi, are you unmuted or not? Tanvi.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, beta, you can tell me next answer. Yes, Ipsa, your answer is correct. There are many kites in the sky. Okay. So Tanvi, next answer, beta. Either Priya or her sisters. In case of either or, what do we see? First subject or second? Tanvi, speak up something. If you don't know the answer, just say that, beta, I don't know. Saksham Samarth. Yes, beta, your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta,
Ma'am?
number 6.
Either Priya or her sisters are going to the park.
Okay, well done. I told you if or is there, you have to see the second subject, and second subject is plural, sisters. So you will write are going to the park. Okay, you can just note down on your rough notebook either or is equal to second subject. Okay, you can write in bigger size so that you know when in exam you will revise this, then you will come to know this thing again. So either or is equal to second subject. Correct answer. So next is Ananya. Ananya, if you can hear me, please say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Better next answer. 7th.
Neither children nor mother is in the car.
Okay, correct answer. Neither children nor mother. Again, nor is there. Again, is equal to second subject. Write down nor is equal to second subject. Mother is singular, so your answer is in the car. Correct answer. Well done. And I request all the students, please don't stay quiet, beta. So teachers have this idea that you are, staying quiet on purpose, deliberately, और आपका connection lost हुआ है, easily पता चल जाता है. So अगर नहीं भी answer आता है तो please don't stay quiet. You can just simply say that ma'am, I have confusion in this. I don't know the answer. Don't waste at least time of the teacher and the other students. So Guneet, you will tell me the last answer. The guests along
Yes,
with
ma'am.
the host, along with.
The guests, along with the host, are standing outside.
Okay, you are telling or you are asking? Hanji?
Are.
Okay. So yes, your answer is correct, but be more confident with that. So yes, along with means you have to see the first subject. Along with first subject. Okay, write down in your rough notebook also. Along with, comma with, as well as. 3 words are there. In this case, you have to see the first subject. The guests are standing outside. So this was the topic subject verb agreement. I hope it's clear to you. Okay. So now I'm moving to the next subject. Again, one announcement. Charanjit ma'am gave message that you have to join the class at 9:45 today. At 9:45. After this class, immediately you have to join the meeting. So next one is narration. Before doing the exercise, we'll just revise the rules quickly. I'll send this PDF after the class, so no need to note down the rules. So let's revise. First question, first point is if present tense like say or says is written, if future tense is written outside, then no change in tense. Okay. So if present tense or future tense is given outside, then no change in tense inside. So second one is if past tense is given like said or said to, then you have to change the tense. Okay, you have to change the tense. Third one is if universal truth or fact, or any kind of proverb is also given, then no change in the tense at all. Even if said or said to is written outside, you are not supposed to change the tense. Okay. Proverb like honesty is the best policy, slow and steady wins the race. These type of proverbs are given. Universal truth is given that hard work is the key to success. Or fact, the earth revolves around the sun. You are not supposed to change anything. Next is said to is equal to told. So remove the word said to and write down told. And I have seen so many students writing told to. That is incorrect, beta. I will deduct half mark for it. Said to is equal to told. Don't write to with it. Now, what type of changes in tense you have to make if said is written outside? I have just made the list of so many rules. You can just note down after the class, okay? I'll send you the PDF. So first form of verb will change to second form of verb. If second form is written, then had plus third form. And this is the rule that 90% of children, forget this rule. I don't know why. Only 10% are there who know this rule. If second form is already given, then you have to use had plus third form. Third one, will shall. This is the easiest one. Whenever will shall is given, you have to change into would. Would. Okay. Is are is equal to was were. Other things will remain same. V1, ing, it will remain same. Is are is equal to was were. So before starting the exercise, I will ask you the rules. So get ready, everyone. Now this rule is also very difficult for children to learn. I again don't know the reason. Again, 10% only know this thing. Was were already given, then had been. Was were is equal to had been. Will is the easiest one again. Will shall is equal to would. Will be, shall be, would be. No need to use should be. Has, have. These are the three new rules of this term. Has, have is equal to had. Present perfect is equal to past perfect. This is the easiest one. Again, if had is written, then same rule, had. No change. Had is equal to had. And the last one, will, shall, have, would have. Now I'm giving you 30 seconds. Just revise the rules, then I'll ask you questions. Just revise it, 30 seconds, and your time starts now. And don't stay quiet. You can just directly say me that, ma'am, I don't know, I have confusion. Okay, I have erased all the rules now. Now I will ask one by one. So first one is Gorish. Gorish, first form is equal to?
Second form of verb.
Okay, now I'm going to show you the rules again. So next one is Harman. Harman, if second form is already given?
Had plus third form.
Okay, well done. If second form is already given, then had plus third form. Savya. Savya, next one is, I forgot. Okay, will, shall plus first form.
Would plus first form.
Would plus first form. Okay. Next is Arshia. Arshia is MR ing.
Ma'am, was, were, and ing.
Was, were, ing. Okay. Devang, if was, were is already given, this is the tough one. Yes, Devang?
Yes.
Was, were is equal to?
Was were is equal to.
This is a bit hard. Okay. Yes, Mithul, you can just tell me quickly.
Was were.
If was, were is given, then?
Had been.
Had been. Okay. Was, were is equal to had been. Okay. So I told you this thing that so many students forget this rule. It's okay. You can just revise after the class. Okay. So next is Janvi. Janvi, unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Will be, shall be.
Would be
Okay, would be. Correct.
plus
Will be,
first
shall
form.
be. Yes, yes, that will remain same beta both sides. That's why I didn't, mention this thing. So will be, shall be is equal to would be. Okay, correct answer. Next is Akshara. Akshara, unmute please.
Yes,
Akshara, my question is has, have. Has, have plus third form.
had.
Had plus third form. Okay. So has, have is equal to had. So next one is Saksham and Samarth again. Beta, you are raising your hand. If had is written, then had.
Had plus third form.
Okay, had is equal to had, no change. Okay. So next is Ananya. Ananya, last one is will have or shall have.
Would have.
Would have. Okay. So well done, all of you. So you all of you, gave excellent response. So now I'm moving to the exercise. Okay, change into indirect speech. No need to note down answers, just focus on just screen, because I have written answers of this exercise but not of the first two. Okay, so first one is Sia said I will not go to school tomorrow. Now in indirect speech you have to see each and every word. I repeat, each and every word you have to take care of. Okay, so Sia said, then remove comma and inverted commas. 1 second, I'm finding one student who will give me answer. Madhav 28. Yes, Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Your answer, beta. One by one, slowly speak the sentence.
Ma'am, first,
Yes, beta. First one.
Sia said that she would not go to school the next day.
Well done. So many changes are there. First change is you have to remove the inverted commas. You have to write that. Then I told you I change according to the speaker. Sia is the girl, so you will use the word she. Will changes to would. Okay, she would not go to school. Tomorrow changes to the next day. Okay, so well done, Madhav. So next one is Adgun. Adgun, please unmute yourself, read the second sentence and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I told my mother. I told my mother. Ma'am, I told my mother that.
I will remain same because speaker is I.
I need your help.
First form changes to Adgun, according to rule, first form change to?
Ma'am, second form of verb.
So need will change to?
Ma'am,
What is the second form of need? Speaker beta, need की second form?
Ma'am, I need.
Okay, Jasmine, please correct Adgun. Yes, beta, Jasmine. Jasmine,
She,
yes. I told my mother that
I need your help.
Same beta, no change. Okay, Mitul, you can tell me beta, what is the correct answer?
I told my mother that I needed your help.
Your help. Your change according to the listener. Who's listening here? Yes, Mitul, who's listening beta? I is the speaker, listener kaun hai? Who's listening to
Mother.
I? Yes, so
Mother.
you or your change according to mother. Mother is female. So in place of your, what would you write?
Ma'am, her.
Her, correct answer. Well done. So everyone, I change according to speaker and your change according to listener. So I told my mother that I needed her help. Again, you have to focus on each and every word. Suppose in place of her, you would write your, then half mark will be deducted. And in case of need, अगर आपने need को same रहने दिया, then the whole sentence will be crossed. Because verb is very important, beta, in narration. I told my mother that Need is the first form. Needed is the second form. Third one is he says, I was upset yesterday. Says, I was upset. Drishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
He says that he was upset yesterday.
yes, well done. Only pronoun will change because says is written outside. No change will be there. So well done. Next one is the teacher said to the children, we eat food to get energy. Who will tell me? Jalash. Yes, Jalashveer. Unmute, please.
Ma'am, teacher.
The teacher. Yes, beta.
The teacher told the students.
The children that.
Children that we eat food to get energy.
Yes, this is the universal truth. Okay, we eat food to get energy. So you are not supposed to change any kind of verb here. Don't write we ate food to get energy. It will remain same. So I'm moving to the fifth one. He said, I am attending meeting at this time. I'm going to, put stress on the words which will change. He said, I am attending meeting at this time. Okay. So I'm giving you hint now. So Shubh, yes, Shubh, make changes better in this sentence.
Yes, ma'am. He said that he was attending meeting at this time.
This, sure, beta, this time.
At that time.
Yes, well done. So he said that he was attending meeting at that time. This is equal to that. Okay, well done. So next one is same students are raising hand. Amarjot, now try to speak up. Amarjot.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta number 6. She said to me, I have taken your book.
She said to me that
She said to, beta, said to will change to in place
she
of.
said.
Amarjot, I just beta make you revise all the rules. Said to is equal to.
Ma'am, she told me.
Yes, she told me that.
She told me that she have taken my book.
Has have is equal to, what is the rule? Has have. Beta, you can mute yourself. There's disturbance from your side. Okay, Akshara, please make corrections beta in this sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. She told me that.
She told me that she had taken my book.
Yes. Has have is equal to had, Amarjot. Please revise the rules after the class, okay? So next one is Hardik Uppal. Hardik, unmute yourself. Hardik. Hargunpreet Singh, 6th A. Your mic is off, your video is off, and you are not responding. What is the meaning of this thing? That means you all are not sitting here in the class. And what can I do? I will just mark your absent. So, Chehek, please tell me 7th answer, beta. Chehek. Rohan said, I cleaned the room.
Yes, ma'am. Rohan said that he cleaned.
Second form is already given. Second form will change to.
Yes, ma'am. Third form of.
Only
had is third form.
Yes. So your answer?
Rohan said that he had cleaned the room.
Okay, well done. Rohan said that he had cleaned the room. Rivya, next answer, beta. Number 8. After that, Karthik. Yes, please. Rivya. They said
that
We ate our food.
We ate, beta. Okay, Karthik, please make correction if you know. Was, were, ing is equal to.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they said that they. मैम वी का चेंज होके दे बनेगा.
Okay, okay, fine. Was, were is equal to. You remember
Was,
the
were.
rule? I told that 10% students only remember. This is that rule, beta. Okay, no problem. Next, Gorish, if you know, please tell me. Was, were is equal to.
Ma'am, had been plus first form plus ing.